Get excited about the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include air conditioning, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.